everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie Smith here. Happy summer, you guys. Hope you're all doing well. I am so excited, you guys. There are so many new stuffs we're going to be playing with today. Let's say Mary Kay has come out with some beautiful new products for the summer, okay? And I'm sure you've already seen it all over the website and through your beauty consultant. But today we're going to be playing with them and I'm so excited, okay? So of course I'm going to show you queens all the beautiful new products right there on your screen. So check them out. So today is all about these new beautiful cream blushes. I think cream blushes are totally perfect for the summer because they're super lightweight, they're easy to use. You can use them in several different ways. Absolutely, you can use them on your lips, you can use them on your cheeks of course, and on your eyes, okay? And for today we're going to be using them on the cheeks, and you ladies are going to see all the gorgeousness of these new products, okay? So the eyes already done. My base is already done. For the base, I use a Mary Kay Time Wise 3D Matte Wear Foundation, and the shade I use is Bronze W140, okay? And today I did do a little mix. I have to admit I did. I've been playing with that and I love the finish. So I use the Mary Kay CC cream. I put a drop of my CC cream into my matte wear foundation, okay? And I love the finish that it gives me. I absolutely do. And this is something you can totally do as well. Because as you start to transition from the winter, into the spring and into the summer, we sometimes have, these in-between shades or whatnot. So I said, you know what, I'm going to try it. And the shade I use is Deep. I want to get both benefits, and why not? Why not? Absolutely. So there you have it. So that's the finish I get when I mix them both. So for our concealer, we're going to use the Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer, and I use the shade Light Bronze. So there we go. I'm really loving this finish. Okay, I'm really loving this finish of the CC with the foundation with the Time Wise. What do you guys think? Drop it in the comments. Do you usually, mix yours, or is this the first time you're hearing of this? And if it is, I'll say give it a try. So let's blend. I'm using my Mary Kay blending sponge, okay? And we're going to go in. And I'm actually going to use my Mary Kay blending brush. I love using this for my under eye because it fits perfectly. It's nice and small. And because the brush is super packly dense, it gives a much fuller coverage. See what I'm saying? Do you guys see the finish of this? Do you guys see? So when I was getting my skin ready, I actually used the new instant puffiness reducer. I did because my eyes were a little puffy this morning, so I did put it on. And ladies, when you want to use a rice grain size amount is all you need, okay? And then don't put any eye cream. You don't need any eye cream when you use this, so you just put only the puffiness reducer on the puffy under eye, and you just let it sit for 15 minutes, and then you can follow with your makeup for the day. And then at nighttime you can use your Time Wise eye cream for bed, okay? So that's how that works, and I love it. I love it. It really helped me this morning because, honey, this lady has not been catching her Z's as she should have. Okay. So I have my Silky Setting Powder, and I'm going to use like medium beige for my under eye. You ladies know I demoed this in one of my videos, so you can go check it out. But I'm going to use it today. And I think I'm going to layer my powder today. I love these, because it has that filter cap which you can lock. So it's great for travel. You can totally layer your powder. So I'm gonna grab the Mary Kay Translucent powder, which again has no color, so it's great for all skin tones. Kind of just add that over there. Yes. Because this translucent powder is so soft, like it's super finely milled. So I really like that. Okay, ladies, so let us, bring a little warmth to the face with our Cocoa Contour Powder by Mary Kay. Okay. Y'all like my earrings? I got them from this company on Instagram. I think it's called, here it is. It's called Subloom. They're super nice. Like their earrings are like super statement pieces and very beautiful. So if anybody wants to check them out, no, I'm not sponsored. If you're like me, you love, some nice statement earrings and bold earrings, then you definitely want to check them out. Okay, and I'm going to take my Silky Satin powder in light medium bronze and take my gorgeous Mary Kay Oliver powder brush. Love this. All right, just a little bit, and I'm just going to sweep that. I'll take a different powder brush. And for me, you ladies know I like to kind of press the powder in whatever's left. That's how I do mine. All right, you guys, so here we have the 4 beautiful new cream blushes by Mary Kay. So those are the colors right there. So I'm gonna try them. I don't know if I can try them all, but we'll see. So let's start with Simply Rosy. I will tell you to definitely work slow with these because, that's the Simply Rosy. As you can see, a little bit, can be a lot. And you can totally work with your fingers as well, or a brush. So I'm using the Mary Kay Cheek Brush for this. I'm gonna just dip my brush. See, I don't know if you see what I'm doing right here. Just kind of working a little bit. And then again with this, you can start slow. And this Simply Rosy, I think I've played with it a bit. It does have a punch, a color, okay? So I'm just, I wiped off my brush, the excess. Okay. And then just patting it in. Just like so. Do you see that? And you can see she packs a punch. So a little bit of her is all you would need. Okay. Beautiful, isn't it? And we're going to take Dewy Peach. Let's see how much color payoff she gives us. Okay, so there's a Dewy Peach, and you can see it's very nice. It's not, the color payoff is not as intense as the Simply Rosy. Simply Rosy was super powerful. It almost just makes me look like my skin's glowing from within. It's not really giving me color. See, like the Simply Rosy did. So this, I would say, if you just want a bit of that glisten on your skin, that's what, that's giving me, my skin tone. Your skin tone may look totally different. So clearly, I'm sure if you're like ivory or beige, this may look way different on you, obviously, because I'm bronze. Okay, so I'm just going to blot that off because that didn't really give us much color. So blush in pink, I will try just to try. But already, I know it's super light. You see that? That is super light. So that is not for my complexion, clearly. Okay, so, but we're just going to put her on anyway. It's not actually bad. I don't know how to explain. I don't know if my camera is showing you guys what I'm seeing, but it's just making my skin look like it's glowing in the sun, like I put some kind of body oil on, if that makes sense. So I would say the blush in pink and the Dewy Peach is more for your, ivory and beige skin tone, right? Because you see she ain't showing up that much on this chocolate skin right here. But that is okay because we gotta have colors for, all spectrum of skin tones, right? So we're going to grab Berry Happy, which is a color I love because I have tried Berry Happy on already and I love it. And I'm going to pop her. And y'all see what I'm talking about? Y'all see what I'm talking about? So, if you're my complexion, I would go with Simply Rosy or Berry Happy. Okay, Very Happy has a bit more, you know, glowy to it as well, and the Simply Rosy almost seems more matte, if that makes sense. I know that's not probably a good word to say with that, but I hope you ladies understand what I'm saying. If you've already tried it, you've probably already seen what I'm talking about. But anyway, so you see how both colors come off. I'm going to take a bit of Simply Rosy and add it to the Very Happy, just so that we have some form of unity going on here. I don't know if that makes sense. But I like them, and you can totally mix your blushes, right? So just going back with my sponge, with whatever powder's left, just diffuse those lines we had there. Okay, so there you have it. There are the blushes, and I love them. Okay, these are definitely a great staple for the summer. Okay, so let's try our lippies. Let's try the Natural Confidence first. Wow. Wow, this Natural Confidence is beautiful. Like, it's not as super nude as I thought it would be. So this is actually very beautiful on my bronze skin. Of course, you can put a lip liner if you want to, a gloss over it. You can totally customize it however you want, but I'm showing you ladies just as is. Wow, ladies, this Courageous Pink is everything, okay? Everything and then some. Look at this color. I'm obsessed. I love it. I've already been wearing it out and about. It's fabulous. Very beautiful. So what do you ladies think? Are you a Natural Confidence girl? Are you a Courageous Pink? I think I'm both, because that Natural Confidence actually blended beautifully with my bronze skin tone. And the Courageous Pink, of course, is fab, right? So there you have it, ladies. There you have it. Sound off in the comments which blushes are your go-to, are your new faves, and which of these lippies you're wearing. Love the cheek blushes. Definitely gonna be rocking them all summer and even fall. Why not? If you love these new products, I'll say totally reach out to your beauty consultant. And if you're one of my VIPs watching, or if you don't have a beauty consultant, I would love to be your girl. Okay, you can totally check out the website and snag your beautiful summer products. So there you have it, ladies. Thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell button in the corner so you get notified every time I upload. All right, have a beautiful summer. Stay safe out there, put in your sunscreen, and I'll catch you in the next one.